Alright, gonna come back with another break here. Got 2010 Rookies and Stars for Mike and Erica. HobbyCards1228, I believe, is the YouTube name if anybody wants to trade or whatnot with them. But that's box 57, and you're gonna try, oops, the last two. Maybe I can see that. The ones I numbered 8 and 9 from Chris's video. If you look at Chris's video, you'll see those were the last two triple threads. We're going to do the Rookies and Stars. Elements, Chris Johnson. I think they held him at like 5 yards yesterday or something. He did not do anything. CJ Spiller, Marcus Easley, not numbered. TJ Ward, rookie. Koamisi, rookie. Golden Tate, not numbered. Insert. Lee Evans, Elements. Eric Norwood, rookie. It's weird, the decoy's on the front. Check that out. Anthony Dixon, rookie. I don't think I've ever seen that, where the decoy's in the front. Oh, come on. Longevity, Jerry Hughes. And that one's numbered to 249. And base. Nate Burleson, 249. Here's an autograph. Aurelius Ben. It's the rare version, numbered to 10. I guess it's hard to see that, but it's numbered to 10. Aurelius Ben. Back-to-back hits, 1 of 50. Jersey autograph, Dexter McCluster. Cool. Cross training, Demarius Thomas. Not numbered. Just base. I don't know if you guys saw that Bills game yesterday. I just saw Ryan Fitzpatrick card. Nate Allen, rookie. I feel bad for the Johnson kid. They had that game won over Pittsburgh, nonetheless. And he dropped it. I like Buffalo this year. I don't know why. Cross training, Gerald McCoy. Just base. Number to 299, Brandon LaFell, Jimmy Clausen, dual jersey. And number to 299, Ryan Matthews jersey. Dress for success. Rennie Curran rookie. Javon Sneed, number to 99. And last pack, Matt Leinart to 99. Alright, this in there. Oh yeah, empty. Do number 8, 2010 Triple Thread. Hunter Pence, Mark Teixeira, Vladimir Guerrero, and another Giants card. Got that in the last one, I think. Willie McCovey, Pablo Sandoval, Monta Irvin. Bats and jerseys. And Cole Hamels, Ron Guidry. Justin Upton, Eddie Matthews, Dan Ugla triple with a patch. Jason Hayward, Brian McCann, and Dale Murphy. Number to 36. There's the patch. Old Dale Murphy. Dale Murphy's the bat. That's a nice one. Roy Halladay, Tony Perez. And we'll do number 9. Card's super thick, so it's either a patch or short printed. Roy Halladay, Chase Utley, Matt Patch, Matt Halladay, and Andre Dawson, 2 of 3 patches. What a nice looking card. Andre Dawson, Jose Reyes, Roy Campanella. Here's the patches. Bam, bam, bam. 2 of 3. A nice looking card. 1987 MVP. Oh, camera's turn. Willie McCovey, Nick Markakis, Jim Palmer, and Adrian Gonzalez jerseys. Number to 36. Victor Martinez, Jacoby Ellsbury. Okie doke, Mike, Erica, appreciate it as always. I will think you're going to do that platinum on Wednesday, so we'll do that then for you. Alright, see ya.